Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of the Bust Build. If you're new to the channel, well, I bought a school bus and I'm turning it into a tiny home slash RV on wheels. So today we're going to be working on the ceiling, specifically these guys right here. We need to install these on both sides of the hat channel, as they call it. And the reason we're doing that is because we're going to be placing a tongue and groove cedar or possibly a shiplap ceiling. Shiplap's a little easier to hide the screws, so we might do that, we'll see. But make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see what type of ceiling that we put in. But right now, we want to get these pieces of wood up here so that we can insulate. And they're going to spray foam the entire bus, including the walls, ceiling. All this is going to be nice and insulated. So we've got to get working on this stuff here. So we're going to get started. So we have all of our wood pre-cut. All the pieces that we need, those are the screws that we're using. We're also going to use some Acousti-Seal between the wood and the hat channel to prevent any condensation from coming through onto our ceiling. So we are ready to go. This is kind of the idea. I'm going to go around later and put the Acousti-Seal on. Right now we're just that's what I'm doing, a test fit run. Found out that the self-tapping screws don't really self-tap, so I've had to drill out the hole, so that's kind of been a pain. So let's get started on more ceiling. Okay, so here we are with a few ceiling updates. So as you can see, we've got most of it done on one side. I think I have enough wood to do both sides, so I think I'm still going to do both sides just so I have more to nail to when I do the ceiling, and it's the only time I have to do it, so might as well put some extra supports up there if I can. So I'm going to work on that today. One thing I found with this hat channel, I guess as they call it, or the ceiling ribs, is they're extremely hard, and the self-tapping screws really did not want to, well, self-tap, drill in. So I actually went to Home Depot. Actually here, I'll show you, that's all of the drill bits that got broken while I was doing the ceiling. So I went to Home Depot and I grabbed good old Milwaukee, and this guy here is supposed to be for hard metal. So hopefully that works. We're going to finish up the other side of the hat channel today. So here we go.
much for watching and following along. If you want to see more videos, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And until next time, take it easy out there.